In this video, I'll show you how to auto-scroll Instagram Reels, so the next video plays automatically without you swiping. Let's first open our Google Play Store if you're an Android user, or your App Store if you're an iPhone user, and just make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. So the auto-scroll feature is a relatively new feature, so you'll have to update Instagram in order to get it. I'm now in my Instagram app, and let's go over to this Reel section by tapping on this icon. And in order to enable the auto scroll feature in our Reels, you're going to tap on these three dots that are located at the right side of your screen, which is going to open this little menu for us with a bunch of different options. You should see the auto scroll button somewhere at the top of this menu. And here it is for me. So I'm going to tap on the switch to enable it. And that's essentially it. I'm going to go back to my Reels section, and my Instagram Reels will now scroll automatically when they finish playing, so you don't have to lift a finger. They will automatically play, and you can enjoy. If you don't see this feature in the menu section, then that means that they didn't roll out the feature for your country or region just yet. So what you can do is to regularly update WhatsApp and wait a couple more days or a couple of more weeks, and you should be able to see this feature.